everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gillian and today we are doing another what I eat in a day while being vegan and on Slimming World. So I had a lie-in today because I am off, like it's my day off work, and so we're gonna have brunch. So I recently bought these Plant Pioneer bacon strips to try, so I want to try them, and I thought I could have like a bacon and sausage sandwich. I've calculated the sins and it's going to be about 8.5, but I think that's okay because I've planned out what I'm having for the rest of the day, so it'll fit into my sins. So yeah, I'm just going to head down to the kitchen and I'll show you what I make. Okay, so I've got my 3 slices of bread for my 1 hex beef. I've got 1 teaspoon of butter spread between the 3 slices for 1.5 sins. These Richmond meat-free sausages are 1.5 sins each, and the bacon pieces are 1 sin each, so 2 sins there. And I'm going to have 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup, which, if I am right in calculating, is 8.5 sins in total. But totally worth it. I've not tried these yet, so I will get back to you on whether they're nice or not. And Ryan's got his over here that he needs to sort out, that's with tiger bread and about 40 slices of bacon. We're going to enjoy that for brunch. So it's a little bit later, it's literally like 5 to 4. So it's a little bit early for my dinner, but I fancied a little snack. And I thought to myself, what could I have that's free? Because I've used so many sins on my like brunch lunch thing. And then it came to me, I had a little bit of the Daiya cheese left, so I've made myself a little snack bowl of the Daiya cheddar. This is 38 grams, that was all I had left, so it was kind of almost spot on the 40 gram allowance. I've got in some pickled onions as well, so pickled onions are a speed food, so that's even better. So free snack using my Hex A and a speed food, and I'm going to sit and enjoy that. I've just been editing a new video, but yeah, I'll catch up with you later when it's dinner time, but I'm going to enjoy my little snack. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. So for dinner we are having the Linda McCartney vegetarian roast. It's the first time I've tried it and it tastes a little bit weird, like the texture, but hopefully it'll be nice. I'll let you know what I think. And I'm just having that with some speed veg, broccoli, cabbage, green beans, sugar snap peas, mashed potatoes, and Ryan's got the same except he's got chips because he doesn't like mashed potatoes. So that is 125 grams for 1 sin of the vegetarian roast, and then 2 sins for my gravy. So my dinner is 3 sins, and that puts my total sins for the day on 11.5 sins, so not too bad. Oh, also I used some unsweetened oat milk in my mashed potato, but I've not used any second Healthy Extra A for the day, so that can count towards that. Everyone, I'm just on my phone because I forgot I was filming and I'm in bed and my camera's through in the other room and I can't be bothered getting it. But I do need to wash my makeup off my face in a little bit. But anyway, the nut roast was okay. Nothing special. I don't think we'll be getting it again, but the texture was just really strange, like spongy. We both still ate it, so it's alright. I'll just put some gravy on top. So yeah, that's all I have ate for today. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. So today I finished on 11.5 sins, I think it was, which is totally fine. And I'm going to be filming more of these videos while I'm at work for the rest of the week as well, so look forward to those, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Time, just want the mood to be right, keeping it low in the night, yeah, so long.